Welcome to my kitchen. For today's video, I will be taking you to the world's most best and well-known cuisine in Iraq, which is the dolma. We need to chop بصلتان, لب الباذنجان, بقدونس, and shabat. With the help of the spoon, we are going to empty 3 pieces of لب الطماطم, we add 2 spoons of زيت الزيتون, then mix our components. With another bowl, we add 2 big glasses of arroz, then add our mixture on top. We add 1 kilo من اللحم, we add 1 big spoon of كزبرة, كمون, فلفل أسود, and فلفل أبيض. We add 1 spoon of قرنفل, big spoon of فلفل الأحمر الحلو, نعناع ناشف, and مسحوق الفلفل الحار, كركم, عصفر, 2 spoons of ملح. 1.5 big spoons of دبس الفلفلة, around 3 big spoons of دبس الرمان, and 30 grams of lemon juice. We add the أضلاع and coat them with سمن الحيواني. To get a result something like that. Then we scattered some food around. For this video, we need to empty some طماطم, باذنجان, فليفلة, ثوم, سلق, ورق عنب, بصل أبيض, تمر هندي, and فول أخضر. We grab the بصل أبيض and add our mixture just like that. Make sure we close it. For the ورق عنب, we already know how to roll it. Let's move to the silk. For the silk, we add our component here. Make sure we close it from the side. Wow, looking all good. Now for the sake of the decoration, we will scatter some fool and thoom. We leave it for 30 minutes at a medium stove. We grab our تمر هندي, add 2 big spoons of معجون الطماطم, 1 big spoon of ملح, we add drops of lemon juice. We could add some نعناع ناشف, but that's not compulsory. And after our 30 minutes is done, we are going to drop our mixture again on top and wait for a whole hour at a medium stove. Result time. We add khubz around it just for the sake of the decoration. All looking all good. Thank God I made it. I didn't drop it. So guys, you have to give it a try. You have to check out and taste this dolma. I know the recipe itself wasn't as simple, but it is worth it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. مع السلامة.